What's in there? Do you want that? How do you ask nice? Please what? What do you want? Crack, please? Okay. Okay, let's get you some crack. Yeah. Yeah. What do you have there, Finn? What do you have, Finn? Crack. Yeah. Got some crack. Can you get the bag open? Do you need some help? Help? Do you need some help? Okay. What's here? What's this? Cracker. There you go. Is it open? Can you get it? Oh, whoa! You got one in your lap. 2 in your lap. 3, 5, 10, 12. Whoa! What is that, Finn? Yeah, cracker. Love you. Love crackers. Okay, let's clean these up.